Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Okuduwa Isaiah, a student of JPTS Institute of Management Science and Technology in collaboration with South America University USA, Global West University Togo. I'm from Benin Center 2 in Business Administration Department. I'm here to do my 10 paper presentation on an assessment of market segmentation in production planning in an organization. First of all, what is a market? A market is a place or a geographical area where buyers and sellers meet and function. Goods and services are offered, the ownership of those goods are also transferred. So therefore, by this will mean that market actually does not necessarily mean a place like in the Nigeria setting where there's crowd or wherever. So market is any place buyer and seller meet. It could be in the room, it could be even in the air. As far as buyer and seller meet, ownership of goods is transferred or goods and services are offered, it is called market already. Now, according to the topic, market segmentation. What is market segmentation? Market segmentation is the process of dividing the market into different group of customers. It's the process of dividing the market into different subgroup of customers. In this case, there's customer are not selected by target, by their needs, by their tastes and whatever. Now we see that the market segmentation consists of a group of customers who share similar needs or wants. Market segmentation consists of group of customers that share similar needs or wants. For example, you will see where market is segmented, a group of customers that prefer taking Sprite or any soft drink. They have the market to go to get that. There are also some group of customers that prefer luxury, like a car, a house, an airplane, and whatever. So that is another segment. So when those market is being grouped in different area, in different groups or subgroup, we can call it market segmentation. Now we also see that for a market segmentation to be useful, it must, number one, be substantial. There should be substance there. It must be substantial. It should be measurable. It should be that you're able to say, okay, this is what this market can offer, this is what it cannot offer. Not only that, it should be accessible. It should be accessible. All markets should be accessible. It shouldn't be located in a place where people cannot go and purchase. The road should be good. That's good road network. And information to locating the place of the market should also be there. There are some persons in the market, but customers don't know how to find them. They don't even have the information on how to find them. So it won't be accessible. They won't be differentiable, of course. From the word segment will make a different area that's divided. So it must have difference. You'll be able to differentiate from this market of luxury to market of commodity to market of service and whatever. Then not only that, it must be actionable. Market must be actionable. That's to say there should be performance, there should be activity going on in that market. Now, in this market segmentation, it has to involve five stages. Number one, the market should be robust and generalized. The market should be robust and generalized. Market should be need-based. So with this, I believe I've been able to tell you what market is all about. Thank you very much.